So the 24th of this month is my daughter Kaylee's 14th birthday. We had so many things planned, including tickets to see Billie Eilish. Everything has been canceled due to COVID-19. She can't see her friends or extended family due to the virus. She is such a good kid. I wanted to try to do something special for her. If we have enough people respond with going, we can do it. I figure since everyone is home, you all might not mind going for a car ride just to get out of the house for a bit. I would like everyone to slowly drive by our house at 6 p.m. on Tuesday, honking your horn a couple times and yelling happy birthday out the window as you pass by. Heather and I will make sure to have her outside at that time somehow. Social distancing practiced, but she also feels special on her day. Please respond if you can drive by for her ASAP. I think she would love it.
Hi guys.
What the heck? Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at little Bruce. I love the mask. Social distancing, what are you doing?
Hi. Wait, look, it's Sophia. Look, it's Sophia. She's crying. Hey, wait for 1 minute. Hi, Wanda. Haley, it's LaWanda. Thank you, Kim. Thank you.
Hey guys, oh, you got it backwards. Have a good day. Happy birthday! Thank you. Love you.
Thanks, guys.
Bye guys. Love you. I'm gonna bring them out. I'll bring them out. Aw. Hold on. Happy birthday,
Cold, buddy?
Kaylee. We can't hug you.
Oh my god.
Get the sign too. It's not gonna stay, but happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hey, hey.
Love you.
Love you guys. Bye, Bruce.
Jesus.
Thank you.
Hey, Liz.
Hi. You can come grab this. I think you'll be fine. Happy birthday. Watch the flip. There's something.
Hey, Keith, thanks a lot, man. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Look, it's Maddie. Look, it's Maddie. Scott's daughter. Hi, Maddie. Look, it's Aunt Linda. The traffic jam. Hi, Linda. Thank you, Linda. Thank you, ladies. Bye-bye. Uh-oh, there's still something else. Kaylee, watch out. Come over here. Kaylee, come back here.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kevin.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Kaylee. Happy birthday, Kaylee. Happy birthday, Kaylee. Happy birthday. Thank you. Good night.
Oh, no.
Thank you, guys.
Why are they
Happy
lined up
birthday,
again?
Kaylee.
Oh, that's Scott. Go get Scott's thing and we'll wave him down. The bag for Maddie.
Dude, that was awesome. So many cars pulled up. That was so sweet.
Yeah.
I love it. And there's more on the way.
Haley, you think people like you or something?
Maybe just a little bit.
Thank you. Happy birthday again.
She's gonna wet herself. There are so many games in there. I had no idea.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Thanks, Grant.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Have a happy birthday.
Thanks.
You.
Oh, look, we're still going.
Oh my God. Happy birthday.
Thank you, guys. You see who it is? Who is it?
Happy birthday.
Thanks, guys. The car is so cute. Thanks, Nick.
Yeah.
That's Nick. That's Pooch.
There's more.
Look, it's Leslie and Ben.
Hi, happy birthday.
Thank you. Hi, Ben.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you.
Thanks, Leslie. Hey, guys. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
This is for you, young lady.
Thank you, guys.
14, huh?
Thank you.
You good, Big Pete? You home now, or
Yeah, 3 weeks layoff.
for sure, huh?
Yeah.
Have a good day, guys.
Call me if you guys need anything.
This is a very good idea.
It was pretty cool. Yeah.
Here. You can't come out here.
No, thank you.
No, did you touch anything?
Yes, they can. They can come over here and talk for a
Touch
few.
this. I touch this.
No, now it's gonna make you cry.
I just want to thank everybody that came by and wished me a happy birthday. I know it's been hard for everybody, and it's been hard for me having a birthday at this time of year, and I hope everybody stays healthy. Hope that everybody is at home with their family, enjoying their time, and I just thank you again for everybody who came by just for a quick second to say happy birthday. Thank you.